Okay, so let's read this problem here. It says 3 cars came to a sudden stop on the highway. The acceleration of one was minus 26 meters per second squared. The acceleration of another was minus 33 meters per second squared. The acceleration of the other car was exactly halfway between the other two accelerations. What was the acceleration of the third car? All right, let's do some highlighting here. We got a negative 26 and we got this negative 33. And really what this problem is talking about is 2 cars going, you're slamming on the brakes, and so your car is slowing down. All right. And then we have this third part here. It says there's a third car that says its deceleration or its negative acceleration is halfway between the other two accelerations. All right, so what does that mean? Well, it means we have a lot of words here, but really this problem is asking us to take that negative 26, combine it with the negative 33, and then find what the average number is. All right, so we have negative 26 plus negative 33. Signs are the same. You add them together, we get negative 59 is our total. But then we want to divide that by 2 to find the number that's exactly halfway in between. So I take my calculator, 59 divided by 2. And we get negative 29.5 meters per second squared. All right, so this problem seemed complicated, but if you do the careful reading, you realize there at the end that what they're asking for is an average.